They care about you. Illusion themselves. You, if you truly was here for what you said you came back for, you see her recording it up. This is why she's doing it. You see it? You see it? They're fucking act, yo. They are acting. This is so cute. This is so cute. Look at this. This is so funny. This is crazy. Y'all are so. What tantrum? What tantrum?
These people will do anything he desires.
Right, you gotta show Chief that you spoke. No. Yeah, I get it. Look, Chief, I said something. Chief, I did what you said, Chief. You've been asking for compassion, you gave it. Asking for compassion, you know you're going back to people that don't really and don't care about you. Illusion themselves. Illusion. You, if you truly was here for what you said you came back for, you see her recording it up. This is why she's doing it. You see it? You see it? They're fucking act, yo. They are acting. This is so cute. This is so cute. Look at this. This is so funny. This is crazy. Y'all are so. What tantrum? Upstairs. What tantrum? You remember when you was upstairs? What tantrum? Excuse myself. Oh, look. Now they went up. Just grab my other bag. You can do that.
And as evil as Tron is, people don't keep that in mind. He's the one that be restraining them girls and trying to keep them from leaving.
I know I can help me leave. Your room so big up. I don't need that. Back away from me. Back off. Get away. Get away from me. Get away. Get away. Open the door. Open the door. They're screaming at baby girls here. Now you talk about me? Get away from me. Open the door and take me down the hill. Now I'm acting like this. Let me in the car. 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 I'm calm. Let me in the car. Excuse myself. Oh, look. Now they went up. Just grab my other bag. You can do that. What am I carrying? I'm carrying her. That is it. First of all, I'm only carrying her. I know I can help me leave. Your room so big up. I don't need.
And the ones that left, Vibes and Flow, they have their baby. He tried to kick her out. I think, yeah, she was pregnant. And he said, she go, I go. And Flo is the one, this is the guy that gave Natureboy that $300,000 of his mother's money after she died.
But come to find out, she had been recording their conversations and played them publicly. Now, what she did right there is very illegal. But she knows everything. All right? She knows everything. But recording people without their knowledge and then putting the video up on YouTube is extremely illegal.
Well, oh, look who's posting. Never discredit your gut instinct. You are not paranoid. Your body can pick up on bad vibrations. If something deep inside of you guys, deep inside of you says something is not right about a person or a situation, trust it. Maisha. And it's a screenshot from Eligio's page. The police already came. I'm not even there. I bounced as she started acting crazy. The chick bugged the F out. And I think it's suspect that Joy isn't saving any of her lives. Why wouldn't she? This is all evidence. She been going live as much as possible throughout the whole thing. and she hasn't been saving any of them. Oh, you unblocked me, Latanya? How nice of you.
Come true. The baby is with me. Nubia is with me.
Said they never forget to post the cash app. Do not send this girl any money. She get a healthy check every single month. That's right. And what she does with it, she made that choice.
They trying to get in. I locked this in because I don't trust them. Like, y'all remember in Nicaragua, right? I wanted to leave, and then you know how that shit happened. So I locked the door here. You trying to get in on this side?
Hey, but you came back though.
Megatron. What do you need, Tron? What do you need the computer room for? You can go in through the other way. I can unlock that door. Go over there. This has access to my room, so I prefer you go through the other door.
You have to unlock that door.
Yeah, so go over there. I'll meet you over there.
We're not going into your room. I'm going to your room.
Right. So, yeah, you see Tron at the door, you know, doing his thing. You know, they like to send Tron because he's the biggest one. Nubian hit my phone chip. You know, Master True and Mama Sheba pretending. Per usual. Over there pretending per usual. Here they go. But yeah. Now we about to talk. I'm about to close this door. Yeah, I'm locking this door. We about to talk, y'all. Hold up. No, move. Slide underneath the door, please. No, this is dead serious. This ain't no fucking script. Sheba is low-key evil.
Yeah, this girl was in the military, so.
You already knew that. Come on. Where's the chip? And then I'll slide it underneath the door. I'm not opening the door for you.
She got every right to stay in there and not allow them access if she don't feel safe, so they need to stop trying.
Where's the chip? It's not there. I just checked. So, I'm not giving that to you until I have my stuff. I need my money. I need my phone chip. No, definitely not. Because the last time I opened the door for you, you refused to leave. I'm not doing that. So, Nu's at the door trying to get his passport, but he has my phone chip. He has my phone chip and my money. So, so we're going to talk about a couple things. Y'all remember, this shit is crazy. This shit is freaking crazy. So, like I said, you has my phone chip. They have my money. They won't release my money. I asked Chief, so I asked Chief if he would release the money, because they all listen to him. He's like, oh, I can read it. I'll put up the screenshots. I'll screenshot it and put it up so y'all can read it. Do not come in this room. So they're trying to get into the room. This shit is crazy. Y'all, I don't even know where to fucking start. Like, I really don't. So I really don't know where to start. I feel really overwhelmed right now. I feel...
Well, you better start pushing it out. You trying to save your life.
Because we live at the top of a fucking mountain. Yeah, it is scary.
Get
It is fucking scary.
as you can. You knew that.
Because they literally have my money. He's not trying to release my money. I'm gonna put the screenshots up after this about him saying, like, pretty much trying to say that he brought in money, even though I have the transactions that the money came from my account. He just doesn't want to release the money. So, like in Palenque, when I said I wanted to leave, he hid my phone. Now he hid my phone chip. The phone chip. I'm actually on his phone chip right now because his phone chip is in my phone. He took my phone chip and hid it. He won't give that back. I told him I want to leave. They're trying to ask me to stay a couple days, but I'm not willing to do that. I'm not willing to stay a couple days so I can wait for them to plan some shit out. Like, no, that's crazy. That's fucking crazy. Somebody asked why I went back. I went back because I don't want to be a single mother. I want my daughter to have her father in her life. But for this, no, absolutely not. Absolutely not. I'm not about to have my daughter in this. And then to have this type of father figure in her life, absolutely not. No, I'm okay.
But you knew who he was. And look at her with her Cash App pen. She got her Cash App pen, but she just gave this dude a portion of her money. Okay? She knew this. She felt this coming on. She seen the signs. She knew she was gonna have to leave. She knew that before she went back and had her baby there. Now she wants y'all to donate to her. Man, these people be tripping.
Hey, we'll be okay. This is like... Yeah, I'm about to get out. Can you take me to the bottom of the hill?
They'll say yeah to get you to
I'll slide the keys in the door so you can start the spaceship. I'll give you your passport when I have my money. Alright, I'm gonna give you that. So I need my money. I need my phone chip. Where did you put the phone chip? Because you hid it, so just be honest and tell me where the phone chip is. You don't know where you hid it. I said I wanted to leave. And I asked for some of my money. I didn't ask for all the money back because I know they need the money. So I asked for some of my money, and they're not releasing that. Chief is trying to say that he brought in money. He's trying to act like he's trying to create confusion around the money, but there's clear fucking transactions. There's clear transactions. It's a tattoo. It's not a bruise. It's a tattoo. They're outside the door plotting.
You see this? So carbonation isn't the move? Just want to know, had plans on coming with my babies, but this is crazy.
Per usual. something. What do you need? No. That's not, no. You're not about to come. I tried to give you your stuff before. Now I need you to give me my phone chip. Let me know where you hid the phone chip. I can grab the phone chip because it's in the room. Where did you hide my phone chip? Where? I just checked the wallet. I just took apart your fanny pack. It's not in there. Where is it? You know where you hid it. Why are you trying to look for it? What? No, I don't need you to grab it for me. I can grab it. I'm in the room. Where is it? My Nubian's at the door, not my husband. He's at the door. He's the one who hid my phone chip. Where's my phone chip?
Sound like you trying to pick
No, I don't need you to show me. Where is it? I'm not going to play that game with you. I did that before. I learned my lesson on that. You just told me what? No, Nu did nothing. And that's the problem.
Right, I'm just trying to come here and grab it until you find it.
You know where it is. Where is it? I'm not letting you in the room. I am not letting you in this room. I just need, I need to get my things gathered before I even allow this door to be open. So where is my phone chip? No, where's the phone chip? I need to know where my phone chip is first before I do anything. I need to know where my phone chip is before you do anything.
Just come on so we can drop it down the hill and you can leave.
Do you know where my phone chip is?
Can you just open the door?
Only you can come in the room.
Okay, sorry, I'm on one.
You shouldn't even fast for that.
Master True is recording me even though they're already on live. I need to see what you just put in your pocket. Don't take your passport until I get my phone chip, please. I need my phone chip.
She crazy. She shouldn't open that door. Like, you can't stop him from taking it unless you should have hit it. You ain't got nothing to bargain with, dodo
No,
bird.
you can leave the money out.
You'll get your money. Everything you need to leave.
Did she literally just let him in so he can go directly to everything that he wants? Why, if you're gonna be a dummy and let him in, why not hide the things? Child, anyway.
And you know what's funny about the phone chip is it was falling out in the store and you're the one who caught it falling out.
Right, and then we put it inside your fanny pack. Now it's gone? Now it's gone? You're telling me that my phone chip is gone? You don't know where it is?
It's right here.
Okay. Can you put it in my hand?
I hit it. But she watched where I put it in.
Okay, I'm thankful.
You just lied on me. You just lied.
It wasn't in there. I just emptied out the entire thing. So anyways, can you bring the money in here, or are you going to bring the money in here?
We're going to go downstairs. You're going to get in the car. We'll give you your money. You're going to leave.
Can you give me my money on camera?
Sure. Either way, you're going to have the money.
Yeah, I need it now.
You should get your stuff together.
Alright, you can step out. Yeah, I do. You can step out. All your stuff is gonna be in the room. I just need you to step out. Do you have the car key?
They say he took it out of his pocket.
I'm packing up all our shit right now. He's saying that they'll give me my money back and that they'll drive me down to the bottom of the hill so I can get to the airport.
And we're going to take her down to the hill, make sure that she's safe.
We'll see.
I need my phone checked up.
Yeah, you get it after I get down to the bottom of the hill.
And get her
No,
money.
no.
Yeah,
You get it after.
yeah,
You
get her
after.
money. Why you get everything now?
That shit is crazy, bro. Please lock the door behind you. We'll talk more as soon as I get the fuck out of here, y'all.
Well, let me fast forward there. So she ain't saying nothing.
So yeah, I told them that I wanted to leave. I told New about like what I wasn't liking about being here. The fact that everybody just kind of follow along. Well, they do. They follow along with what Chief wants. They just go along with what he says, type shit. Right? I'll go into more detail later. Told him that. I point out things all the time to Newbie. All the time. I'm constantly pointing shit out to him. And it got to a point where he just would never listen to me. He likes to rationalize the things in his mind to benefit his perspective. It's like, you really have to trust your intuition. Trust your fucking intuition. I had my father in my life. And that's all I wanted for my daughter. That's all I wanted. I trusted New's word. When you know some shit off, you know that shit's off. Don't fucking second guess yourself. Move. Pack her diaper bag. We out. I felt guilty a lot of the times. When you know you're feeling guilty and that's making you not move, that's wrong. It's fucking wrong. Don't allow people to guilt trip you. Shit is crazy. Fuck all that. I don't need to take that with me. Wipes, receiving blanket. Our passports. I'm getting all this shit together, y'all. This in a diaper bag. Luckily, my room is on the hill, so they can't just hop through it like that. And when I'm on live, they don't want to do shit while you're on live. They don't want people to really see who they are. Gotta wait till the cameras go off. I'm about to grab my duffel bag and throw this big ass bag in there. Excuse myself. And now the car is in here, y'all. What a coincidence. They left. I'm down. So, they're trying to report my IG, of course.
Wow. And she know it goes down like this when people try to leave. It's happened to her before, but she was dumb enough to risk it again, knowing she would have a harder time trying to get out with her youngin. The girl.